everyone, welcome back to our Basic Products channel. In this video, we will be creating two different kinds of bookmarks. So let's get started. The materials you'll need for these two bookmarks are construction paper, our template that you could find on our blog, pencil, scissors, glue tape, markers to decorate, and the craft sticks will be for the caterpillar craft. So the first bookmark we'll be working on is the owl corner bookmark. First step you'll want to do is cut out the eyes, nose, and wings from our template. So after cutting out your owl face and wings, we're going to put them off to the side and work on the owl's body. So for this, you will need a 6x6 inch construction paper. So the first thing you're going to do is have it as a diamond shape. You're going to want to fold it in half. After that, you're going to take the first or top part and then fold it over to the bottom. After that's done, you're going to take the ends and bring it to the middle. After that's done, you're going to take these two and fold it or tuck it inside. Then you have your corner bookmark. So after we are done with that, we could start decorating. You can start either with the eyes or the wings. I'm going to start with the wings first. So taking our wing template, I'm just going to trace them onto a construction paper. And for this, you could choose any color paper you want to have fun with your owls. So we have finished with the wings, and now for the beak, I'm going to use orange construction paper, trace it on, and then cut it again. And then for the eyes, we're going to be using what was on the template, but I like to add a little color around it. So we'll just glue this onto the construction paper and then cut a ring around it. So using our tape glue, we will glue that on. Either freehand it or draw a ring. I'll just draw one for you just to show you guys. So now that we have prepared our eyes and wings and beak, we're going to glue it onto our owl body. And for the eyes, you could have fun with it. For this one, I think I will have his eyes go down. Make sure you have some room for your beak. I would say this part, not all of it, just glue top part. And then have it hanging a little bit off the edge. Now the wings, just gonna put them on the edge over here for both sides. And then there you have your owl. So that's it for the owl bookmark, very easy. And now we'll go on to the caterpillar bookmark. So now we're moving on to the caterpillar bookmark. So with the template we have here, you can color in as is and put them all together, but in this video we'll be using construction paper to create our caterpillar. So first thing we're going to do is cut out the template. So I'm going to be using one circle to create my 5 other circles on the construction paper. So we got 5 of the small circles traced onto the construction paper, and then now we're going to cut them out. So after cutting out the circles for the caterpillar body, I'm going to color in the caterpillar face and then cut it out. Again, you can use any art supplies you have at home. We'll be using these markers. So after coloring and cutting out the caterpillar face, we're going to put them together by using the glue tape. So for this, I am going to tape just one side of the circle and attach another circle on top. And then keep going until you're out of the circles. And then same thing for the head. And after that's all put together, you can also decorate the body. So let's write out, reading is fun. So I have finished decorating my caterpillar, and now we're going to attach a craft stick to the back just so that it's more sturdy as a bookmark. Again, using our glue tape. And then you're going to want to make sure the craft stick covers at least all of the paper, so then it's evened out. And then there you have it, a little caterpillar bookmark. So if you want to make these bookmark buddies, you could come join us at LA Times Festival of Books at USC on April 23rd and 24th. We'll see you guys there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and then we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!